What's up? Thanks for checking out the channel again. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. So I just recently got some stuff from Valor Fitness that I've been waiting to open up and share with you guys. So the way I came to hear about that is through a friend of mine that I've known since second grade. Her name is Mariah. She actually just became an ambassador for Valor Fitness, and kind of heard her story through recovery is kind of how she came about coming across this particular business. And so Valor Fitness was started by a recovering addict, and the ambassadors that are a part of this particular business are all people that are in recovery, people that are living clean and sober, friends and advocates for addiction recovery. I know I haven't really talked about it much on my YouTube channel, but I've always been a huge advocate and supporter for recovery in any addiction. Addiction runs through my family as well. That is why when I was younger, I decided never to smoke, never to drink, never to do drugs, anything like that, to ever put my family or me at risk in that way. So I've always been a big advocate, and wanted to help people out as much as I could, if I could. And just because I dealt with it, not as an addict myself, but like I said, it's in my family, and had to deal with a lot through that. But yeah, go ahead and check out all of her stuff. She's a pretty great person, and she's done an awesome job lately. She has, before and after pictures, that she posts regularly, while she was deep in that addiction, and now to where she's been eating healthier, living healthier, staying clean and sober, and just doing an awesome job at that. So anyway, I came across this on her page and decided to check it out and order some stuff. So also, the cool thing about this particular store that you can buy online, if any one item sold by Valor Fitness, Valor will donate one item to a homeless shelter that's in need. So that's a pretty cool thing on top of that. So we'll get right into it, and we'll check out what we got here. Now, I say unboxing video, but it's actually an unpackaging video. It came in a package this time, so I'll get the old mail cutter out. Alright. So we got packages within packages here. Alright, here we go. So here's the first one that I got. These actually do feel pretty comfortable. So this is the t-shirt that I got. It's a workout shirt. It looks pretty awesome. It's got the little logo there. Sober AF on top. Little stuff on the side there. That's pretty awesome. So that's pretty cool. That's like a little, I want to say it's almost like a mesh style. It's kind of cool. I'm guessing to help sweat resistance a little bit or something. We got this one. This is actually one I was looking forward to getting. I saw Mariah have something like this, and I was hoping that they had something similar for a guy or like that, but they had some pretty cool like red tank tops. Little workout tank tops you can get. So I got this one here. It says Valor on the front. In the back, got the little Valor logo. Really nice soft material. Pretty comfortable feeling. And we got the last one. This one was pretty awesome too. Actually, oh dang. Huh, they actually throw in with the order, they threw in a free little face mask there. That's pretty cool. And then this one I really like too, just because it had the little black, accent around it, or whatever you want to call it. But another workout tank top. Got the Valor logo on the back there. Pretty sweet. And then it also has a little, some kind of little deal with my name on it there. So we'll see what that is. Okay, so cool. So it looks like it's a letter from the founder of Valor Fitness Clothing. It's a little thank you, and it actually has, like, you can see that he actually hand wrote everything in there too, so it's not like it was printed or anything like that. So I want to thank you personally, and thank you for your order. As such a small brand, every order means so much to us. Love that you got one of our Sober AF shirts. As an alcoholic in recovery myself, this line is very near and dear to my heart. So glad you were able to use Mariah's discount code. Absolutely adore her. As a sign of appreciation for your first order, I can happily toss in the Valor face mask. Thank you again, Jim Hernandez, founder of Valor Fitness and Clothing. That's pretty sweet. So that was really nice. He actually wrote an actual personal letter in there. That was pretty cool. I wasn't really expecting that. So that's definitely awesome. He also threw in a little keychain. One day at a time, it says on the one side. And it's got kind of a neat little design right there, if you can see that. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, definitely check these guys out. I mean, they definitely seem to take their business seriously. That was cool that, for a first time order and everything like that, they tossed in the free mask and everything and sent a personal letter with it. That's probably the first time I've ever gotten something ordered where actually, the founder took the time to, actually send you a message. So I think that alone was pretty awesome. But, again, it's a great thing that they're doing, helping people in recovery. And like I said, everything that you buy, every item I believe you buy, they donate one item to some type of homeless shelter that's in need. So that's definitely awesome. On top of that, again, I'll put everything in the link below so you guys can find Valor Clothing. I'll make sure to put Mariah's Linktree down there so you can find all of her social media, keep up with her journey through recovery and everything. And if you like videos like this, it'd be kind of cool to jump into some of this stuff too. I definitely, from my experiences talking to people and everything like that, it helps to, talk to people and find people that will listen, for one, and two, kind of know what you're talking about. Like I said, addiction ran through my family, pretty hard. Had a lot of personal experiences and stuff with that, some troubling stuff and everything. And, just the fact of knowing somebody, like, being I was so young at the time, if I knew somebody else that was going through that, or somebody kind of knew what I was feeling at the time, it would have been a lot easier to talk to somebody. I wouldn't have had to, grow up so much on my own, which, there's good and bad that came from it. Obviously, it's a big reason the decisions I made, growing up and everything like that. But it would have definitely helped, having somebody there to kind of lean on a little bit, somebody that knew kind of what I was going through. And I've been to several recovery meetings and things like that, with family, friends, and stuff like that. And hearing their stories, and listening to what they have to say, and being able to talk about it, and have some input yourself. Some people have even come to me, and been like, just the fact that I stayed sober my whole life. You don't hear that much anymore. And I was able to stay like that through high school, and which is pretty tough. Everybody wants to go drink and have a good time and whatever else. And I always knew that if I were to do that, more than likely I would head down kind of a wrong path. One that was going to be harder for me to get out of than it might be for some of my friends. So, yeah, I mean, just keep that in mind. Just help other people out. And be a good person, and hopefully good things will come your way. Um, again, Valor Fitness. Thanks for the awesome stuff. Thanks for the little personal letter and everything. That's pretty awesome. I'll try to tag you guys and send the video somehow, maybe. Maybe if you want to take a look at it or something. Thanks to Mariah, for the code and everything like that, to get 20% off. And wishing her the best of luck, and that she keeps on kicking butt, in recovery and fitness and everything like that. She's come a long way, and I'm definitely proud of her. So just want her to know that. And if you guys like videos like this, or you guys have addiction experiences, or anything you want to talk about, or anything, just go ahead and comment below. I have a Facebook for this page, same name, Bat Tatted Sickle Rider, same logo and everything like that. I have a TikTok. I have, just hit my Linktree. I'll put that down here too. I'm always willing to talk to people, and help them out best I can. So yeah, just check these guys out. Check out Mariah's stuff, and that's going to kind of conclude our video for today. But I hope somehow either this helps you, or you can go and help somebody else, or order from these guys, because these guys are definitely helping people out and making a good difference out there. So just want to say thank you to everybody, and hope you guys have an awesome rest of your week, and I will see you next time. Thanks.